Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common issue with Frontier routers. Those pesky flashing green lights. If you're dealing with this in 2025, you're not alone. It's often a sign of connectivity problems, overheating, or even a simple glitch. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the fixes step by step, so you can get your internet back up and running quickly. First things first, let's understand what's happening. Flashing green lights usually mean the router is trying to connect or there's an error in the network. Before we jump into troubleshooting, make sure your router is in a well-ventilated area to avoid overheating. That alone can fix the issue. Step 1. Check all your cables. Ensure the power cord, Ethernet cables, and any coaxial connections are securely plugged in. Sometimes, a loose cable is the culprit. Give everything a gentle wiggle and double-check for any damage. If that doesn't work, move on to step 2. Perform a power cycle. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This reboot can clear temporary glitches and reset the connection. Wait a minute or two for the lights to stabilize. Still flashing? Alright, let's escalate. Step 3. Log into your Frontier router's settings. Open a web browser and type in the router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1, and enter your admin credentials. Look for the firmware update section and check if there's a new version available. Updating the firmware can resolve software bugs causing the lights to flash. If you're not comfortable with this, skip ahead. Now, if the problem persists, try step 4, a factory reset. This will erase all custom settings, so back up any important configurations first. To do this, find the reset button on the back of your router, press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash, then let it reboot. This is like giving your router a fresh start. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's time for step 5. Contact Frontier support. They can run diagnostics remotely or send a technician if needed. Remember, these issues are often quick fixes, but if your router is old, it might be worth upgrading. There you have it, your guide to fixing flashing green lights on your Frontier router. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.